Yeah, what's that?
I don't know if he's ever been bareback, Bill.
Take it off?
No, just if he takes off fucking.
You too.
Alright.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, that one. Because you're riding him bareback.
Alright. I'm not even gonna do the other direction.
Alright. I got plenty of video left.
Oh, hey,
Hey Sarah,
yeah.
will you trade for a little bit?
No.
Come on.
Oh, it's bumpy.
Sorry.
You said it's warm.
That hurt. No, it's good.
Yeah, that's what she was just
Woohoo!
Getting fast.
Ride him, cowgirl.
I think you're supposed to be cooling them off anyways.
cooling them off and then heating them up.
Yeah, right.
Crash.
I gotta try not to laugh.
You need to lay down.
You need the
I sat on the eject button.
Wow.
We're gonna try that again.
Oh, wow.
Don't eat, so don't fall off.
I'll try.
Don't fall off.
You're on your own.
Pick it up.
Don't do too much more with these guys, okay? He's gonna like.
Oh, I need a blanket.
You need a whoopee foot.
I'm hungry, yeah, you do. Ow, ow, ow.
That's not the trot you want to do.
I can trot her.
Oh, wow.
So I can trot her, it's just the camera now.